it's important that we think and we redesign the way we organize our services, our processes, how we use the data, public and private data, so how we can actually make the best of new systems and new technologies, so like artificial intelligence, so to serve the citizens and have a human-centric digital transformation. This is important, and clearly the capacity of public administration to manage this process is fundamental. We lack the skills, the competencies that are not just technical. This is a multidisciplinary field where we need lawyers, we need economists, we need engineers, of course, but we also need philosophers and sociologists, because this is something that is fundamentally changing our society. For instance, having what in the AI for Go Master that I manage and I direct, there is this concept of functional specialist. That's something that we need to consider, the capacity to manage, to procure AI systems, for example, and this requires an interdisciplinary approach. We need to, as we say, we need to reorganize the processes, but also change the mindset. The mindset and the need cultural shift, paradigmatic shift in our public administration, where we often lack a culture of digital transformation. This is shown by data in many countries in the world. We're not yet ready for the digital transformation of our governance systems that is required and urgent to be done. For this reason, also this, the opportunity that the integration process with the EU can bring to all the countries in the region is unique, because clearly by exchanging practices, experiences, and learning from each other, this can definitely be accelerated and improved for the benefit of all. One of the main challenges that we have also in the region, in the Western Balkans, is the infrastructure that need to be strengthened, the digital infrastructure and the possibility to exactly exchange data across different administration and potentially even across border. That's something that also in Europe we are now addressing. For example, the Interoperable Europe Act that is has been designed exactly to go beyond the limitation that we still have in the single market, and making a real digital single market. So the Western Balkans can actually, in my view, be even quicker in doing that by integrating their systems, their economic spaces, and the administrative systems by exchanging practices and processes, and using technology as a lever for further integration within the regions and in the perspective in the EU. Other challenges are, of course, linked to the legal barriers, and we need to address. And definitely, this is an area where the experience of the EU can benefit the region, but also requires some homework. The possibility also to redefine the entire regulatory framework of the specific countries, making sure that, for example, we don't ask citizens information more than once. It's not required.